Aloha awinala, everyone. Welcome to the Pau Hana Lounge. Pau Hana Fridays has been a tradition for the past 2 years. It is our way of saying mahalo to all of you for your loyalty, our PUALANI Elite and Premier Club members. It is my honor and privilege to introduce today's entertainment, MAKA'ALA Perry, and her brothers Malie on bass and Pu'iwa on the steel guitar. Our catering is done by Taniokas today. We will be serving mini cone sushi with mochiko chicken and chicken salad. Right now, we'd like to invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
E aluli ke mai kako o Hawaii na pua mai ole na pua nani e aluli ke mai kako e na o iwi o Hawaii na pua mai ole na pua mai E hana me koia I o E hana me kaha'a E o lelo pono kako E hana me koia I o E hana me kaha'a E o lelo pono kako E o lelo pono kako E aluli ke mai kako E na o iwi o Hawaii na pua mai ole na pua nani e aluli ke mai kako iwi o Hawaii na pua mai